I've always wondered, how far could I take it using this as a survival kit? Parkour. Can right there. Hopefully it boils. I'm still gonna drink it.
Oh, ooh, a mushroom. Danger.
Wired on the exhaust back there.
Fire, 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 fire.
I am the apex predator. It can also be used as a sauna. Carbon monoxide poisoning. It doesn't show brilliance. I don't know what does. Oh my gosh. Curious if I would actually survive. Probably not, but we're gonna try.
First, we're gonna go do a little exploration, go see if we can find some water.
So, I had this little stroke of geniusness. I have this little stake from my buck. Tinfoil that sucker up and stick her right here on the exhaust pipe. Parkour. Ow. As we're driving down to get water, it'll cook it. It's very genius. Wired on the exhaust back there.
On the road again. Wait, no. We're good. Ain't no dirt bike. Wonder if this goes somewhere. Couldn't get my bike down here. I hear squirrel. This is where I thought the creek would be. We're gonna die of thirst. Ooh, a mushroom. Took 2 steps after picking up this mushroom. Danger. Actually don't remember where I put my bike. This is bad. Oh, there she is. Ow! Here's the water. The water.
So I was able to fit the can right there. Hopefully it boils. I'm also gonna stick the egg on there. Burning love. Ooh, my egg. Ow! We're gonna leave it right there and hopefully it cooks. Try to find some dry tinder because that bike alone is not gonna produce enough heat if I get rained on. I can't find any real good dry tinder, but I do have an idea. I got it drying tinder, boiling water, and cooking food. Genius! I brought a piece of bacon and I'm gonna go stick it on the exhaust. This is stupid. It's gonna smell like a freaking restaurant over here. Hopefully there's no bears and mountain lions. Oh, I said I'm gonna use it to fend off predators. That's not a problem. I am the apex predator. It's already sizzling. I think I can smell it. So that thing was going for like an hour. I just turned it off. All I've done is create this little sign as I've sat and waited. I'm gonna go post it at the front of my camp. Danger! This will help keep the bears out and people. People are the worst things you want to run into nowadays. Stay away. It clearly says danger. Oh, that bacon. That is so crispy. I'm eating that right now. Crispy bacon. There was definitely a little bit of dirt on that. A bird. Fly. It definitely did not reach boiling point. I mean, I would take a bath in it. I'm still gonna drink it. I drank most of it, but I don't know if I can get it off the foil. Look at that. I am nourished. That cooked well. I won't even end up with salmonella. Stop being whingy. Stop it. They can't hear me. I nearly forgot. Tinder. Got egg everywhere. Wipe it on my pants like a man. Still warm. It's definitely dry. I just heard thunder in the distance. That's not good. Let's get this steak off and see how well that's cooked. It's had the longest time to cook. It was even there when I fell. Okay. Ow. That actually looks cooked. Hey, not bad. Little undercooked, who cares? I'm gonna eat this real quick and start building camp because the wind is blowing and it's gonna rain and I need freaking shelter. Here's another genius idea. Broke my stick. We already used it to dry tinder, right? So why not use it as a leaf blower to clear the rest of your site? It's so brilliant. I loved it. Perfect. Save yourself effort. Don't use a rake. Just save tons of effort. Just sit there and you can also use it to haul the logs out of the way of your camp. If you got one of those stupid plate mounts like I do, this can also help rip it off. You can finally buy the new ones you've wanted. It can also be used as a sauna to remove all the toxins from your unboiled water and undercooked food. Be careful not to get carbon monoxide poisoning. Make sure you seal the tarp around your neck. Don't go down like I just did. Ah! Burn myself. Oh my gosh. Oops. As you can see, that was clearly another genius use for it. You'll probably end up with carbon monoxide poisoning. I went down there once and feeling lightheaded still. And be careful not to touch the exhaust. I am pretty sure I burnt my leg. I'm gonna start building a shelter. Gotta kind of lean to it. On this side, away from the exhaust, I've learned my lesson. Genius, 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 genius. I'm losing my mind. Watch this. Go like this. Genius. This doesn't show brilliance. I don't know what does. I'm gonna go stick a stick down the center. This I should do. You wanna stick a stick up the middle of it. Ha! Oh, it's brilliant. It's like a full-blown tent. All I need is to start a fire. Watch this. I was gonna try to dip the paper towel in there to use the gas. That way I'm still technically using the bike. I'm practically out of gas. I think I can get the paper towel down in there far enough to actually get some. I don't know if I have enough gas to get home. At least I could build a fire. Ah, look, that's soaked. It worked. Don't worry, I'll make sure the bike is actually the one igniting it. It counts. Uh-oh. It counts, it counts, it counts. Watch this. It's the gasoline. There we go. Yes! Fire, 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 fire. Fire in the hole. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you use your bike as a survival kit. I'm gonna survive for sure. I mean, I probably don't have enough gas to get home. My shelter just collapsed on me. I'll probably live. Turns out, I did run out of gas on the way home. Don't worry, I did call somebody. If you ever use your bike as a survival kit, bring extra gas. Otherwise, you'll be like me, sitting here waiting to be rescued.